Good morning from sunny Johannesburg. Just landed yesterday here in the city for about 2 weeks. Need to do some admin, sort out some stuff. Decided to get out today. I'm also selling a drone. I have to test fly a drone here, so that's why I'm out here, and also just enjoying the sun. Hopefully that goes well. I'm hoping that my old drone still flies well. And then gonna grab some coffee at my favorite coffee spot. It's good to be back, man. You forget how beautiful this country is once you've left it for so long. Seen these guys in like 2 months. I'm quite excited, and I'm sure they are going to be pretty surprised when I walk in the front door. Hello. Good, thanks indeed.
Good, just say hi, yes, hello guys.
Not a problem.
I thought you were going to be away for like a long time.
Hello, 2 months, 2.5 months.
Has it been 2.5 months?
It's been 2.5 months.
No way. Let me call Christoph, he's going to be so happy to see you.
Back in the day, we used to run, hands up, hands up. No complications, no second thought, just hands up, hands up.
Super successful coffee. I miss those guys so much. One of my favorite places in Johannesburg, I won't lie. Really nice coffee shop, really good vibe, and just the best of people with the best conversation. Really suggest Ophelia in Emmarentia. If you're in the hood, go and check it out. It's so good to be back. The one thing I've learned about being living a nomadic life is that to keep a good diet with any training is one of the hardest things in the world. So that's something I'm definitely going to improve. So now actually, hopefully I'm going to be here for 2 weeks. Well, that's the plan. And for that time, I'm hopefully going to get some training. But I need to go shopping because I need to get some healthy food. I've really been eating unhealthy.
Wouldn't walk away if they asked me to.
As I entered the shop, I walked past this Cinnabon shop, and all of a sudden what popped into my mind is one of the scenes from Walter Mitty, which is one of my favorite movies, in which he arrived on the plane and then had a Cinnabon first thing with the guy.
Airport prison, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah? Tell me all about it over Cinnabon. Come on. Cinnabon.
Like 17 hours?
Wow.
And I was like, oh, what are the chances? I've just gone on this trip and now there's a Cinnabon shop, and I really just wanted to recreate that scene.
I'll live another day just to spend with you.
And don't worry, I still do plan on being healthy from tomorrow. Thanks for watching again, and I will see you tomorrow for maybe story time.
I loved you like the sound of the ocean.